sunny, like I mentioned, and it's a perfect test to check the dynamic range on the Action 6. And some thoughts about the video that I posted last night. You can watch it, by the way. I'm gonna link it in the descriptions down below. Nice. The video from the last night actually it's quite noisy here, so I don't know if you can hear me properly. The video from the last night that I posted was quite interesting because the Action 5 Pro looks much brighter than the Action 6, but the Action 6, the dynamic range, it's better. So as you can see behind me, but the Action 5 looks much brighter. Interesting. Let me turn the camera so you can have a different perspective.